Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today I have a phone here. This is the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, and as you can see, for some reason the screen has bumped up all the way along this edge here until sort of around here. So what I'm going to try today is to glue it back using this glue. This is the T8000 glue for phones I found online in Shopee for less than 2 ringgit. So I'm going to try and use it. Before we first start off, I'm going to power this phone off just to be safe. Like so, and then I'm going to power this phone off. And while this phone is shutting off, let's look at this glue itself. So you need a special glue and a special head, and as you can see, if I open this up, you can see it has a very small head, like so. So it's really helpful in reaching out very small places. So like if I want to push the needle into here along the edge here, then it should stick. And what I'm going to do is, it does say it needs 1 to 2 minutes to set in, so I'm gonna glue along these edges, then press it like this for over 2 minutes with my hand, because I don't have anything, I don't have any clamp or something, and I will see how it goes. So let me just start off here. I'm just gonna be ever so careful. Let me just look at the edge here. Yeah, as you can see, it is coming out, and I'm not sure why it is coming out. So I don't think it's the battery expanding, so I'm just gonna try and glue this down. So without further ado, let's start off. Gonna put some glues along the edges here. Let's see if it looks. Yeah, just gonna use my hand and try to apply even forces for like 2 minutes. So everything's good now. Maybe we can just power the phone quickly, and then as you can see, there's no more gap here, although there are glues stuck inside, so it doesn't look good, but yeah, at least it's sealed off now. I'm not handy with these kind of small things, so I'm sure people can do a better job without leaving all this dirt outside, but yeah, this is what I can do now. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if this video is helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Oh yeah, by the way, the phone is booting up well. Everything's working well.